Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use custom boards on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel. And here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page. And here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of this signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to use custom boards. So if we want to do that, let's just go and click on play here, which will take us to the board right here. Let's just click play online as an example, which will take us here. Here, go to the top right corner settings option and go and click on board if you're not on board. Here, of course, those upper section or this upper option, you can customize your board with them. As you can see, we have here the green board. We can change it to whatever we want. As an example, like let's just do ICC. And as you can see, click on save and your board will be customized to whatever you want. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.